Hi and welcome. Welcome to Skai. As you will hopefully discover, this company is all about core values actually. The first and foremost is passion. Do you care? Do you care about the planet? Do you care about each other? Do you care about the business? The second is innovation. Do you have what it takes to invent and fail and learn and grow? The third is integrity. We want trust. We want to trust each other and we want to be able to count on one another. And the last and least, but probably the most important, is humility. Stay humble. We're only as good as we are today and we need to improve each and every day. So welcome to Skai. Doors are always open here and you're welcome to this company, and may it be a success journey for us all. Thank you.